Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC. Let's see our topic for today. It's page problems. The first question tells us, my homework is to read from page 123 to page 321. How many pages do I need to read altogether? Let's see. Can I just use 321 minus 123 to get the answer as 198? Is this the answer? Do you solve this question in this way? Let's think. If I read from page 1 to page 5, how many pages do I need to read? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages. But if I use the last number minus the first number, the answer should be 4. It missed 1. And let's see, if you read from page 1 to page 10, how many pages do you need to read? 10 minus 1 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pages altogether from 1 to 10. So you see, when you use 321 minus 123, you also take away page 123. It tells us from this page. It means this page should be included. So please remember, you have to add it back. So 198 plus 1 equals 199. This is the answer, so choose B for this question. Okay, remember, don't forget the first page. Let's see the second question. We got a book as 202 pages altogether. And we know the page numbers starts from 1 to 202. They are consecutive. And how many zeros are there in all the numbers? How many zeros can we find? We can find zeros in 10, perhaps, or in 101. So you see, this time, there are different situations to discuss. The method is called classified discussion. You can classify different situations to different categories. So, from the smaller number to the bigger number, first we can find 0 at one's place in round numbers. You see 10, 20, 30, and before 99 we can find 90, and also 100. It's also a round number. So here we can find 0 at one's place. But remember, this is quite special. We can also find 0 at 10th place. Now let's continue. 101. You see, we can find 0 at the 10th place now. And 102 to 109. They all have 0 at 10th place. Let's continue. 110. We can find 0 at 1's place again. This is 1's place. And 120 to 190 and 200. This one is also very special because we can find 0 at both 1's place and 10th place. Let's continue. 200. 0 appears at 10th place again. This is 10th place. And 202, the final page of this book. Let's see. For the first situation, we can find 10 to 100. So we got 10 zeros. And don't forget, there is still a 0 at 10th place. So plus 1 0. And for the second situation, we got 1 to 9. So 9 zeros here. And for these two situations, we got this part 11 and this part 2. So altogether, 13 zeros. Altogether, we can find 33 zeros in this question. Okay, so when we are going to solve this type of questions, try to classify all situations. And in this way, you can you can make sure you will never miss any situation or repeat any situation. Okay, so let's see the last question. It's about the pages of a book are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Also, we know the digit 5 appears exactly 6 times. Only 6 times, no more or no less. And how many pages can this book have? At most. Let's see, where can we find 5? Starting from 1. 5 at one's place. 15 at one's place. 25, 35, 45. Let's list all possibilities here. And can I just jump to 55 here? If you jump over and to 55, do you think it's correct? No. Let's see, after 45, where can we find 5? 50. We can find 5 at 10th place now. 51, still at 10th place. Let's count. We can only have 6 5s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 6 should be 50. And can I move to 51? No, we still have a 5 at 10th place. So this book can only have 50 pages. This is the maximum number for all pages. Okay, so you see, to solve page problems, remember 2 methods. For the first type of question, we have to remember at the first page. And for the second and the third type, please remember classify all situations so that you will not miss any situation. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and see you next time. Bye!